on in here. You're like, what's this crazy guy doing? Burning the same photo over and over on crappy painted tiles. Well, it's demonstrating a couple things. We started at 10.5% power on this one and 150 millimeters per second. Now, I kept the speed the same throughout, okay? And I raised each one 0.1% in power. So, you know, instead of seeing it going up perfectly, getting brighter and brighter, that's not happening because it's showing you the difference in each of the paint jobs. So, on each tile, you'll get a darker one and a brighter one. A darker one, a brighter one. A darker one, a brighter one. But you see, we're still working our way up, finding the perfect setting. And I believe it's probably somewhere between here and here, or maybe 0.1% more. I went up 0.2% on this one. So now we're at 11.1% here. And we're at 10.9 here. .220 DPI. This one here. See, we went from 150, 10.9 to 150 to 11.1. So we jumped up 0.2% for this one that's currently burning here. Now, if you guys started at, let's say, let's say 9.8% power, it's going to look crappier and crappier the further it goes down this way, if all the paint was consistent. And eventually, it's just going to go up until it's perfect, and then it's going to start getting brighter this way, and more blown out and crappier looking. So this is what I talk about when I say find the balance of too dark and between too bright here, okay? And tomorrow, I got to get some sleep, but tomorrow I can continue this project and I'll go all the way across for you guys, going up 0.1%. Okay, and unless it just gets to be all white or something, okay, all the paint's burned away. But not only that, is I will end on wherever I think perfect was. So I'll count back down 0.1% each and find where perfect was, and I'll burn it here. And then I'll probably get another tile and burn it here again with the same settings. And then I get to see how level my bed is in the corners for each photo. And so far, all the details in the photos, so it's staying focused pretty well.